Hello everyone, this is Raihan Tahir and today we're gonna see how to compile list files in the client side using less.js. First of all, as we gonna use client side processing, we may face problem opening the index.html file directly to the browser using the file path. Um, So it's better to use a server to run this program. Because what if you open it by right clicking it and then open with Chrome, what happens is it sometimes doesn't load the JavaScript files like which we want to okay, which we want to run a JavaScript processing. Okay, so what I gonna do is I am going to use a simple text editor named brackets, which is free to use, and it has a live preview system, so we won't face any problem processing it in the client side. So let me show you from where you can get the text editor. It's brackets. You can just simply type brackets text editor and Google it. So this is the website. In this website, here is the download button. Just press it. You will get the software downloaded to your machine. It comes with an extract preview. You can download if you want this one, or you can also download this one, which is without the extract preview. So I already have this installed in my machine, so I'm not downloading it anymore. You download it and install it. It's very easy. So after you download it, just open it in your machine. So okay, so I already have that folder open, but let me show you how you can open your folder. Open folder and just go to that folder where you have that the files that we have created in the last episode. So this was the folder, and let me open. So these were the three files I have created in my last tutorial, and that time I used command prompt or terminal to process the list files and convert them to CSS files. But this time, what we're gonna do it on the client side. So for that, what we need is we need to get the less.js file and put it in this index page. So now let's grab the less.js file. We can go to their website, and here is a link. So what we can do is we can use Power to install less or download the source code, but let's use the CDN for now. So I'm copying the CDN and then going back to my IDE. Oh, sorry, I'm using a text editor, whatever. So now I'm going to paste it in just above the ending dot tag and save it. Now the thing is, if you are using less.js file to process, then this won't work if you are passing the style.css file, because it will process in this client side. So what you have to do is you have to pass your less file So the list file we have written was styled of less. So in the href I'm passing it, and that's not the only thing, but you also have to change the rel value to style sheet slash less. This and save it. So this is the thing. Two major issues. One is putting your less.js file in the index page, and then changing your link um, rel to style sheet slash less, and href to style dot less, or whatever is your file name is. And so that's it. So let's first check what was in our less file. Okay, so we had a font color, and it was blue. Okay, it's a nice feature in brackets, like if you hover above the color, it shows you the color. Okay. So then we have a h1 tag, which is using this color by calling the variable, and then a paragraph tag, saying using that variable to set the color. And now if we go to our style.css file, this was created by the less c command in the uh, in the terminal or command prompt. So basically now, as it's all the things, let's run it. So this text editor brackets has a beautiful thing which is called live preview. This is the button. If you press here, let's press it. So it's connecting, and it opens uh, your default web browser, and let's check. So it is pointing to it is basically kind of server or something. So okay, so now we have our h1 and paragraph in blue. So let's close it, and let us change the color from blue to red and save it. So, and this time we are not going to use any terminal or anything to change this file. So let's live preview again. Okay, so now we see this font colors in red, though the CSS file is also now still holding the blue color. So what is happening is basically the JS file, the less.js file, is processing this less file in the client side. So after processing it, it is generating all the styles. So this is how we can use less.js file to process our less files in the client side. But actually it's not good practice doing it, because the processing is done in the client side, so the page takes little more time to load. It's best to do in the server side, meaning recompiling your less files to CSS files when you upload it to the server. But anyways, it's good to know both the ways. So that's all from this tutorial. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.